Hello student, in the previous part of this chapter we have read about the properties. So there are some other properties we are going to define you. First is solubility. Solubility means soluble in water. Some of the substances are soluble in water but some of the substances are not soluble in water. So we will see the water soluble substances. This defined as the solubility. When a substance is completely soluble or soluble in water is defined the solubility of the substance. But whenever a substance doesn't dissolve in water, that substance is not known as non-soluble substance. Alright. According to this property, we can also define the property of material, or we can categorize the object. Next property is conductivity. Conductivity means we can categorize conductivity into two parts, that is conduction of heat and conduction of electricity. Alright. Conduction means to pass through. Some of the object can pass the heat to other objects. This is the conduction of heat. Those objects which conduct heat are known as good conductor, and those objects which do not pass heat are known as bad conductors or insulator. Just like heat, we also have electricity. Those objects which conduct the electricity through them are known as good conductor, and those objects which do not conduct electricity through them are known as bad conductor or electricity. Next property of the material is magnetic nature. Some of the substances are attracted by the magnet, such as iron, cobalt and nickel. These are the substances which are attracted by the magnet. So these substances are known as magnetic substances. But wood, rubber, etc. are not attracted by the magnet. So those materials are known as non-magnetic material. Last but not the least, we have a property of the material is transparency. We have three types of it. First is opaque, next is translucent, and other one is transparent. What is opaque now? Opaque means we cannot see through them. Any object through which we cannot see or through which the light cannot pass are known as opaque objects, such as wall. Can you see through wall? No, we cannot see through wall instead of a hole. Next is translucent. Translucent are the object which allows the light to pass it through partially. We can see through them but not clearly. So those objects are known as translucent, such as butter paper. Alright. Next is transparent. Transparent means we can see it through it clearly. Alright. Transparent is glass. Glass is transparent. We can see clearly through them. So this is all about the properties of material, and this is it about the different type of materials.